dropping by. I'm Annette Hibbler, and I'm a licensed real estate agent here in Michigan. I've decided to produce these videos for anyone looking to maybe move in from out of state, or looking to buy or sell or even get into investment property income. Michigan has a lot to offer. There's so much more to Michigan than just Detroit. I can assure you that. So I hope you'll find these videos insightful, and if so, won't you consider clicking the subscribe button and that notification bell so that every time I drop another video, you'll be the first to know. Thanks again. Okay, first up is 2185 North Street in Milford. This one is listed at $160. That's $160,000. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, no real basement to speak of, but it is on a corner lot, which is really nice. You've got plenty of room to add on or even add a second story if you choose. It's a nice, quiet neighborhood, very well established. There's no new construction going on there. It's about a good 15 minutes from downtown Milford, but looks like a lovely place for a couple just starting out and looking for someplace safe and quiet. Nice quiet neighborhood to raise a family. Our most expensive property is at 1350 Huncliffe in Milford. This property is listed at $1,345,000. It sits on just over 2 acres. It's in a nice, quiet development, about a good 10, maybe 15 minutes from downtown Milford. It's got a full finished basement with walkout access and comes with all the appliances, all the bells and whistles you could hope for. Very traditional style flooring and finishes. Beautiful deck out in the backyard, and lots and lots of window. Lovely space outdoors and in. Well worth checking out.